Nevada Virtual Academy, welcome back. Wake up, have a seat, pencil and paper, and let's do one more problem for the proficiency exam. Problem number 10, a function and its range are shown below. F of x equals 2x minus 5. The range is f of x, which is an element of the following set, -7, -1, 1, and 3. What is the domain of the function? A, B, C, and D. And how can we find that? Guys, when you talk about domain, you're always referring to your x, right? Whatever is your input. Well, not always, but most of the cases, you have a function of x. X will be the one that's put inside, comes outside as an f of x, as a y, and that's your range, that's your output. Domain, what you put inside. And now, because they're telling me, that the output is -7 first, let's find what should be the input for that. And I'm going to say, hey, f of x equals -7. Well, what is your f of x? F of x is this expression in terms of x, 2x minus 5. And that should be -7. All you have to do is solve for x. How do you solve for x? Well, follow the steps you learn in your 6th grade class, right? You add 5 to both sides. -5 plus 5, your 2x should be equal to -7 plus 5, -2. Final step here, divide by 2, both sides. 2 divided by 2 is 1, your x is -1, okay? And that's your first x. That's your first element of your domain. You're looking for your possible options here. A, B, C, D. Whichever doesn't have -1 is not a good answer. And I can eliminate C and D, right? C and D are saying goodbye. They're not good. We don't care. We have to choose between A and B. In order for me to do that, I need one more, at least one more, uh, input, one more input to be found, one more output to be used, right? So I'm going to use, let's say, the next number, -1. Let's see what is x for that. And I will have f of x equals -1, my next element of my range, right? And I have to substitute that f of x with the expression that has my x in it, 2x minus 1, with its equation, right? And that should equal -1. Solve it by the same way. You add 5 to both sides, okay? 2x minus 5 plus 5 equals is 0, right? They're canceling out. Equals -1 plus 5 is going to be +4. Dividing by 2, you find that your x should be 2, okay? So another input, another element of my domain will be x equals 2. I'm looking at A and B. A has a 2 as an element, B doesn't have. B is not good, and this is why A is the answer. That's your domain, and you can check by plugging in 3 and 4 for x, see if the outcome is going to be 1 and 3. I bet it is. You should check. I will leave that to you, but this is the way you solve a similar problem for the proficiency exam. Be curious, pay attention, stay with me, care. With a bit of luck, you're gonna pass this exam and you will move on. Thank you, guys.